Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the clone phone to transfer the data from your old Android or iPhone. Here, as you can see, we have our OPPO, and here we do have my iPhone. And at first, to do so, to transfer the data, we need to open this application on our new phone, which is the OPPO. Here in the search bar, or just not in the search bar, you need to just search for your application called Clone Phone. Once you have your application opened, you need to tap this is the new device. Now you need to tap Migrate Data. You need to just select your device from where you want to have your data migrated. It can be either OPPO, Realme, or OnePlus, other Android device such as Samsung, such as Infinix, etc., or Apple. Let me select Apple because here we will have the iPhone. Now we need to open our camera and scan this QR code over here. As you can see, we do have apps.apple.com. Now I need to just insert my passcode in my device. And here we do have this application called Clone Phone. You need to tap this here, the get button, and just install this application on your old phone and tap open. Tap agree and continue. Agree for everything. Tap this is the old phone. Select which data you want to migrate, and you'll be good to go after that. And the copy will be using Wi-Fi. Going for using the Wi-Fi or a cable, you will be prompted to select that. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.